Welcome to ifelse. Make smart decisions in code. Here is what we will learn. Let's get started. Why do we need this concept? Without conditionals, programs run the same way every time, unable to adapt. How do we make decisions in code? Code runs the same every time, cannot respond to changes, no dynamic behavior possible. If-else enables dynamic decisions based on conditions. How is if-else used in the real world? User authentication. Check login credentials validity. Grade assignment. Assign letter grades by score. Discount calculation. Apply discounts based on total. If-else powers all these applications. Let's see the problem it solves. So, what happens without if-else? Handling multiple conditions with separate if statements. Look at how messy the code gets. Redundant condition checks, inefficient execution flow, hard to maintain logic. There has to be a better way. Here comes the solution, if-else. Look how clean the code is now. Handle multiple conditions, clean decision logic, easy to read and maintain. Compare the difference. And that is why we use if-else. Let's see how to implement if-else in code. Here is the implementation. Initialize variable, set number to 10. Check condition, test if number greater than 0. If true, print positive message. Else block. Execute when condition false. If false, print non-positive message. Now let's see the output of this code. Quiz time. Test your understanding. What is the purpose of an else statement? Which one is correct? The correct answer is else runs when the if condition evaluates to false. What's printed if x equals 5? Which one is correct? The correct answer is x equals 5 is not greater than 10, so else block executes. Which syntax is correct for if-else? Which one is correct? The correct answer is correct syntax uses parentheses and else keyword. What's the output? Which one is correct? The correct answer is score equals 85, meets greater than equals 80 condition, prints B. Here's a challenge for you. What's the output? Comment your answer below. Did you get all 4 questions right? Let me know.